what Rotary can do for you, but what you can do for the Rotary.
Take the chance to serve.
Rotarian never dies.
In Rotary, we serve the best.
Rotary has been my family.
In Rotary, you just have to give it your all.
You need to execute the project with all your hearts, with all your soul.
And that speaks out why I joined Rotary.
The Rotary Club of the Diangas was established in 1974 by the Rotary Club of General Santos to provide members with a more accessible club option. With the help of Rotarian Francisco Suzon and Rotarian Jose Lansang, the new club formed with 23 charter members, with Suzon as the first president. It was officially chartered on September 8, 1975 under the past district governor Salvador Bading Angala of District 3860.
One of the major projects nagawa ng Rotary Club of the Diangas is when one of the member, Rotarian Bob Santos, nakakuha siya ng funding from international fund. One of the Rotary Club of Japan has donated 300,000 pesos na ginamit namin for Operation Goiter.
The club was actually, during that time, was actually all boys. So, iba ang dynamics ng aming club compared sa recent dynamic ng club. One of my accomplishments was actually when our club has reached the membership into 56 members.
My long year stay of Rotary is a challenge for me because in Rotary, we always implement. In Rotary, we serve the best.
One of my pet project during those times was my Sagip Mata para sa mahihirap na project. Because it was the 100th year of Rotary, nagplano ako na magkakaroon ako ng 100 free cataract surgeries for the whole year. Rotary really shaped me as a person. I learned so many things. It really made us confident on what we do.
Rotary has been my family, especially Arceda Diangas. Basically, Rotary has helped me develop my leadership and my personality.
I'm especially proud of our projects in remote barangay schools where we engage pupils, their parents, and the community through food programs, school supplies, and mother and child care initiatives. These efforts included workshops and forums focused on promoting better lives and well-being. This unique initiative not only aligned perfectly with our theme but also had a lasting impact on improving the quality of life for the people we serve.
Ang projects na talagang nagawa namin ng club is nung nag-donate kami ng 34 toilets and 1 Poso Negro sa lugar ng Bawing. And then yung isa pa, yung nagpagawa kami ng stairs. So yung mga bata, imbis na iikot pa sila, pwede na silang dumiretso sa itaas kasi meron ng stairway. Another one is yung repainting and renovation of the House of Shiloh. And the last project is the donation of 3 classroom buildings. Ask not what Rotary can do for you, but what you can do for the Rotary and the community. Because Rotary is about service. Rotary is service above self.
Rotary Club is a service enterprise. Its business is mankind, and its product is service. And it was amazing to know that when I became president, my term embraces the theme, Rotary, serving humanity. And that speaks out why I joined Rotary.
During my time, we have completed so many projects, but to give you the most important project that we completed was the project in connection with the fund given to us by the district. We gave total of around 250 school chairs that was distributed to the 5 different schools here in General Santos City. During my time also, we got different awards from the 6 areas of focus of the Rotary. We will also contender as the top club here in the district.
The highlight was when the club became an all Paul Harris club. So lahat ng members naging Paul Harris. In Rotary, when you become president, you just have to give it your all. You just have to enjoy it because ang sabi nga, we may pass to this world but once. So if there's any kindness you can give to Rotary, I would say that let me do it now, for I may never pass this way again.
We have provided 300 radio sets and USB for the students for their off-school learning. 12 units of bahay kubo or houses made of light materials were given to qualified recipients, and RC Dajangas provided water system to Purok 7 and 20 Nopol in Barangay Mabuhay, which has won as the best service project in water and sanitation for Area 3, Mindanao. My term as president reinforced the importance of adaptability, empathy, and collaboration in leadership.
Our term is very challenging because it is still pandemic time. Despite of the challenges, we were able to avail a district grant project, which is water and sanitation. During my term, RC Dajangas spearheaded the DISTAS 2022. As president, I am proud that we have received numerous awards given by our District 3860 during my term.
I'm always thankful sa mga kasama ko sa Rotary. Lahat ng nagawa ko during my term, yun, grateful ako doon kasi yung happiness na nakita ko, yung lahat ng mga communities na natulungan namin, yun yung parang kabayaran namin na nagsiservisyo kasi wala naman din kami ditong sweldo or wala naman kaming makukuha. Pero yung nakita namin na masaya yung mga tao na natulungan namin, especially sa medical missions at saka yung mga gift giving sa mga bata na nakita namin na sobrang saya nila.
I'm very thankful na nabigyan ako ng opportunity to serve our community. Sa Rotary naman walang competition as long as you give your best, you give your capacity with your hearts and within your soul. Walang competition para sa akin kasi pag tumulong tayo, hindi tayo dapat naghahanap ng return. Give as you can na yung mapasaya mo yung ibang tao at nandun talaga yung love and care para sa ating community.
Our golden year of service is not just a reflection of our past achievements, but a beacon of light guiding us towards an even brighter future. Thank you to every Rotarian of the Rotary Club of Dajangas who has been part of this incredible journey. Here's to another 50 years of making magic through service.
The Rotary Club of the Dajangas take an immense pride on their continuous commitment to the Rotary Foundation, helping to fund life-changing projects that create lasting change and improving lives worldwide. The club boasts 5 major donors, 3 benefactors, 13 Paul Harris Society members, and 45 Paul Harris Fellows. With an all-time giving total of $171,227 as of June 30, 2024, the members will continue to exemplify the spirit of giving that drives Rotary's mission.